Hello and welcome to Knowledge Hut. There are three main artifacts in Scrum: the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and the product increment. In this video, we will be discussing the product backlog. So let's begin. Archaeology refers to the word artifact as an object which is created by humans. This word originated from the Latin phrase artefactum, which is something made with skill, a work of art. Therefore, we can say that an artifact is something which is made by us. It can be a tool to make things easier, or a work of art which inspires us. So, what do the Scrum artifacts do? Well, both. They make things easier by smoothing the processes and encourage us to be collaborative. The Scrum Guide says that Scrum's artifacts represent work or value to provide transparency and opportunities for inspection and adaptation. Artifacts defined by Scrum are specifically designed to maximize transparency of key information so that everybody has the same understanding of the artifact. Now, coming back to our Scrum artifact, the product backlog. What is it? According to the official Scrum Guide, the product backlog is an ordered list of everything that is known to be needed in the product. It is the single source of requirements for any changes to be made to the product. The product owner is responsible for the product backlog, including its content, availability, and ordering. So we can say that the product backlog is a list of requirements on which the development team has to work. This list is maintained by the product owner. But the product backlog is not a simple list. It is a dynamic list. It evolves over time. It keeps changing as the product owner and the team discovers new information about the product. The product backlog doesn't focus on what the team is going to do in the distant future. It gives higher priority to the things which are to be done in the near future. This is because of the evolving nature of the product backlog. It is believed that the requirements and conditions will keep changing in the future. Therefore, focusing more on the things which are urgent saves a lot of time. The higher priority items are kept at the top of the list. First, the work is done on these top tasks. The lower priority items at the bottom of the list are vague ideas, and not much time is spent on the planning of those items. As these items keep moving towards the top of the list, more and more details are added to them. In this way, things get the focus of the team according to their importance. You may ask, how is this method better than the traditional method of software development? If you are aware of the waterfall method, then you must be knowing that in waterfall, all the requirements are gathered at the beginning of the project. But if you think practically, then you will understand that if you are working on a complex project, it is very difficult to fathom all the requirements even before starting to work. As the time passes and the product starts taking its shape, we come up with new suggestions which can make the product even better. But the traditional method doesn't leave enough space for implementing such suggestions. Apart from this, with the passage of time, customer requirements also change. Therefore, it makes sense that the requirements of the project should also change with the customer's requirement so that the product is in alignment with the customer needs. The agility of the product backlog also helps the team to focus on what is important, saving it from wasting time on lesser important things. So this was product backlog and some of its benefits. We hope that you understood the concept with the help of our video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep upgrading your knowledge.